Federated machine learning to me sounds like some machines banded together. It's actually a machine learning technique used to train a shared model on multiple devices without exchanging their data. And that's where the word federated comes in. Shared model, multiple devices, and no data exchange. It's not illusionary. Think collaborative machine learning models. But before we get sideways, let's dig into Federated Machine Learning.
TechGno, turning tech talk into biz talk.
FML, Federated Machine Learning, shared model, multiple devices, no data exchange, and I was born in the show me state, so let's see. Author Curtis Croy comments that each device trains the model on its local data and shares only any updates to model parameters with the central server. He highlights the small market numbers as this is only a $120 million market, not billions, but it'll triple in the next 10 years. The advantages he touts include it protects users' privacy by keeping data on devices instead of central processing. It can be used to train models on large and distributed data sets that would otherwise be difficult or impossible to centralize, and it allows training models on heterogeneous data sets gathered from multiple devices with different types of information. One expert says it was about time to devise an architecture where a centralized model makes use of all the local models in order to form a super efficient model that can be used by all contributing devices, says author Hossein of this Amdina Al Insights article, Improving Data Privacy Through FML. The image is a good representation. He also comments on the design and privacy. On one hand, he praises it for the capacity to be local and aggregate, but then exposes the lack of privacy as reverse engineering the model can put data at risk. He suggests an additive secret sharing, yes, that's ASS, as a method of encrypted calculation while aggregating the models from different devices in the central model aggregator, the cloud, and passes over the encrypted outcome back to the devices to be decrypted privately by the devices which are connected. That's long-winded, but it's a multi-step process that seems to seal the gaps. FML entails training these models across various decentralized data sources while protecting privacy. Adoption has been driven by privacy concerns and data sharing restrictions by enabling organizations to collaborate without sharing sensitive data for training AI models. Business value is being realized in healthcare, finance, defense, telecom, and other industries. The KBV Cardinal Matrix Federated Learning Market Competitive Analysis touts Microsoft Corporation and Google Inc. as the forerunners in the federated learning market. Nvidia and IBM were also noted, along with others like Intel and Cloudera. I see FML as shared machine learning without sharing data, and that's no garage band. And speaking of federated machine learning, does your device know that GNO is Irish for business? Or that we have dozens of features, a bunch anyway, a growing baseline knowledge package, and dailies? Oh, you got to get the dailies. How else will you keep up? Kindly like and subscribe, and hey, hope to see you on the other side.
GNO. It's Irish for business.
TechGno, turning tech talk into biz talk.